Putting your Chromebook into developer mode will give you full root access, including the ability to change your Chromebook system files. This is needed in order to install another operating system on your Chromebook, such as Windows or Linux. But before I start the process, I must warn you that enabling and disabling developer mode will power wash your Chromebook and delete all of your files, so make sure to back them up on a flash drive or online before continuing. Now that that's out of the way, let's start by booting up the Chromebook into recovery mode by pressing Escape, Refresh, and the Power button. This is going to pull up a screen that says Chrome OS is missing or damaged, but don't worry because it isn't. Next, press Ctrl D and then press Enter to turn off Chrome OS verification. Now wait for a couple seconds and there will be 2 beeps. Your Chromebook will turn off and on and then start transitioning into developer mode. This process may take a few minutes. When that's done, it's going to go back into Chrome OS and you can now log into your Chromebook with your Google account. And congratulations, you now have developer mode enabled on your Chromebook. You will now be able to do things like install Linux alongside Chrome OS by using Crouton, which I've also done a guide on. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.